Nissan 350Z. The 2004 350Z. This was a car I picked up from a friend who was looking to get rid of it. As you might be able to tell, obviously, it's not the cleanest 350Z. You know, there's some paint fading here, hot spot on top, some dents and dings and stuff like that. But for doing a project car or something like that, it should be perfect. Mechanically, it's good. I'm sure to many people's chagrin, it's actually an automatic. But I'm looking more so to daily drive this for the time being, so I'm not that upset about it. So today we're gonna work on getting this more roadworthy for two people, because this door handle doesn't exactly work. So keep tuned in and we're gonna work on that, and we're gonna get headed home.
All right, Colin, tell us what we're doing here.
Well, we're replacing this passenger side door handle because it no longer opens the door. So that might be an issue. So right now, just trying to figure out how it hooks on and go from there. Hey! All right, here we go. So the nice thing, at least with this car, is it's pretty mechanically well suited still, even with 217,000 miles on it. So we're gonna try and get home now. Should be fun. Only 6 hours to go.
You got AAA, I got AAA.
Yeah. one piece with the Z. Luckily, it was a fairly uneventful trip for us. 6 hours, 2 accidents that we weren't involved in. It runs good. There's a couple of hiccups that I've noticed with it, but nothing that can't be fixed. So the big reason I got this was, in part, I've been looking for something else to commute to work because I'm having to drive longer than I used to, and Southern California does not have great freeways. It's very bumpy, and in a car with coilovers, and bucket seats, hard bucket seats, it's quite torturous sometimes. So I needed something that was a little bit comfier, and I also wanted something that was like a little bit more on the luxury / GT side. I wasn't necessarily looking for a Z. It just so happened to come up that a friend of mine was looking to get rid of this one, and I was in the market for another car. The other thing too is I knew that Zs have been going up in price. So if I ever wanted to own one, this is a car that came out right around the time I was in high school, so it was a little bit of a high school hero car for me. If I wanted to own one, that it would have to be now, because I don't think I'm going to be able to afford the ones that are still in decent shape. This one, obviously a little bit rough too, but it's at least running and it's never been crashed. So we're going to work on getting this cleaned up, and we have some bigger plans for it sometime down the line after we wrap up a couple of other projects. So keep an eye out for that. We'll keep things posted on when we're going to have updates and everything else. And if you enjoy our content, you want to see more of the Z, leave a comment, let us know if this is a project that you'd be interested in seeing. And of course, give us a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.